And y'all just sit up here and take advantage. Get out my mother house!
Why? What's wrong with you? You getting off? Okay, guys, so we have my sister again. I'm gonna be transforming this girl because, well, a hair transformation for the most part, because she is going on a very romantic date night. As you can see, this girl, this is her stressed out hair. She said, "Son, I want to look glam." I joke.
I'm just here listening to these stories. Like, what?
Girl. Wow. But yeah, guys, she's gonna get her hair all braided up and stuff. But I wanted to come and show you guys her initial look and how I'm gonna be slaying her. So this is the hair that we're working with today. This is from ISEE Hair, all right? And this is a company of AliExpress. This is how the box looks. So basically this is what I got into the box. I got this pair of lashes, which I really like. I'm actually going to be using it on her today because I'm going to be glamming her up. And if you want to see that makeup look, you have to check out my Instagram page right now. So this is a 3D mink hair eyelash. And then I got a booklet just to, you know, tell you about their social media if you want to get discount stuff like that. So the hair that I have today working with is this hair that you see. It is some water wave hair, and I got it in 26 inches. So sis, I kind of comb it out because I did do some further plucking. It came pre-plucked, by the way, but sis got inches. She's gonna be wearing this for the entire week, and she's very excited about it. Very excited about it. Seriously? Seriously? So I'm actually going to be using glue to apply this today. You guys know I don't always work with glue. Most of the time I use my Got To Be spray. Your face is so tiny. What y'all laugh for? I don't know if you're going to be me. You squeeze up
I wish me did little still sometime, you know?
Oh my God. Chill out. Bruh, I can't. Your face.
Stop now! Yeah, let me feel little.
Oh my God, your face is tiny. Oh my. Oh wow. Okay, alright, cool. Serious things now, guys. Serious. Guys, so if you notice, I have a beginner's wig installation video coming out very soon. Alright, cool. So I'm gonna be giving you all the tea step by step on laying your wig. But if for the most part, when you get your wigs, like for me at least, I realize it never ever fits properly on the ear, so I end up cutting it, and it's the same for her. I always want to ensure that, you know, the hair is kind of a little bit in front your actual edges, so you don't damage it, especially since we're working with glue today. So I'm just going to cut away the excess. So this is basically, as I said, a hair transformation. If you want to see the makeup portion, it's on my IG right now. If you don't want to see the makeup and everything. Yeah, the power of social media and editing. Just go check it out. Zine. The glue I'm going to be using this glue again. Which, remember the first time I used it, I was like, guys, I don't know if it's the best. I don't know if it's strong enough or whatever. Listen, go ahead and do it. Try it next time on somebody's hair while installing their wig. This is life, and I actually use it again on myself. I did like 3 layers of it, and it is so strong. It's stronger than the Bold Hold Active. Now the con with this, it can be a bit messy because I wish they had a different applicator. And you need to really be patient with it because it takes a while to dry down. So those are 2 cons with it. This is the Trina the Weaver Super Bond Hair System Adhesive. This is one of the strongest glues I've ever used since experimenting with lace glue. So Would I recommend it for a very strong hold? I really would. I really would. And they do have an entire line where they have the thing to remove it and all that good stuff. So this is what I'm going to be using today again. So I'm going to be applying it to the hairline. So with glue, you really need to be careful. You don't want to damage your edges or anything like that. So I kind of like put a marker on where I want to apply the glue. And I kind of do it in front of her actual edges, you know. And always be mindful that when removing the lace from glue or removing glue, you need to use either oil or alcohol and be very patient. Nobody force it off. That's the downfall I find with a lot of females using glue, and so they end up with peel out edges. Yeah, and really damage your skin, end up having the skin bleeding and all sorts of. So this is the type of applicator. So you have to be patient with this. Trust me. So I'm gonna be doing 3 layers today. 3, and it's so sticky. And you need to spread it out properly, else it can bubble up, and that don't look good.
Oh, these brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice. Cold, these brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride.
Guys, I be stocking up on all the tools as if, you know, I have a real ear salon. I get like a fudge stick to like spread it out. But I really don't want to bubble it up.
You're feeling yourself? Thank you, Icy.
I got her glammed. So now it's time to just, like, if you're interested in seeing that makeup look, go and check out my Instagram page right now for the mini tutorial. So I'm gonna be using this mousse. This is the L'Oreal Boost It Volume Inject Mousse. So I'm just gonna put this all over the hair, and I gave her a center part. Really nice. I'm gonna put all the specifications to this hair, by the way, down below. As you guys can see, this hair is really nice. Inches, and she is average height.
5'6".
Yes. So this is pretty nice. You never wear a hair this long, right?
Nope.
This hair is really nice, guys. Making me seasick. Oh my god.
Excuse. Whoa.
Dang. Guys, so I just applied some concealer to the parting. just to make it a little bit more pronounced. How do you like it?
Very nice. Very nice. I never had nothing like
What
that.
is with you guys? Once me do the makeup and put on wig, on a voice change.
I never had nothing in my life like this before. I never had nothing like this before. I would just like to thank the Academy for blessing Son's hands to be able to put this wig on my head. And I'd like to bless God for making her my sister. I don't have to pay for none of these. And I'd like to thank ISEEHAIR for sending her this pearl to put on my head today. Thank you for this Grammy. I just said Academy and then we're going to say Grammy.
This is a vibe. Guys, check out the makeup look on my Instagram right now. Right now. Yes. But guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Leave your thoughts down below in the comment section. Yes. 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 Yes, guys, that is it. I'm going to put all specifications on this wig in the description box along with the link where you can purchase it. Go ahead and give it a thumb up. Don't forget to go ahead and follow Shami. Yes, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, go and big up on yourself.